I've been grocery shopping.
I can see that, Adrian. Show me what you've got, and let's find out.
Okay, sure. But Martin, what's first on your shopping list?
First on my shopping list, it's probably the thing I run out of quickest, milk or bread.
Milk or bread? Make up your mind.
How did you know? Adrian, you've bought these semi-skimmed. Are you on a diet?
No, I think a lot of people in the UK drink semi-skimmed. I think it's the normal degree of milk.
Okay.
Degree of milk? Flavour of milk? It tastes like milk.
It's the normal type. It's probably, let's call it the most popular type in the UK.
I think so.
I think that's fair, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And you bought some bread. Now, I don't want to embarrass you, Adrian.
I'm not embarrassed.
It's really nice fancy bread.
Yep.
But it says reduced to clear. There's a little sticker on it.
That's why I bought it, because it was cheaper.
Smart thinking. So some very fancy artisan bread.
It used to be fancy. Now it's probably a little bit hard.
Okay. It does say irresistible. You guys at home, you can't read what's on the packet, but it says irresistible. So you're going to have to fight me for this.
Irresistible, not impervious.
That's right. Anyway, Aidan, what else have you got in your shopping bag?
Well, already milk, you're thinking breakfast. I'm thinking for your tea or coffee, maybe the milk. Bread for toast. Eggs for breakfast.
Thank you. This is a lot of eggs. Adrian, how many breakfasts will you cook with this?
3 or 4.
Really? So that's 12 large free-range eggs, and you're going to get 3 breakfasts. So let's do the maths, Adrian.
Well,
how many eggs per breakfast is that?
Well, if I have company, then I might make breakfast for 2 people at once.
Or maybe you could become a sumo wrestler or like something like that.
Now you're talking.
So, Adrian, just for people at home, what do we mean by free-range eggs?
So, free-range eggs are where the chickens, they can run around outside. So they're outside, running around, free range.
Okay, so that means they're not kept indoors. They're allowed to move around and exercise.
Right.
Okay.
And that's why also we can see that there's mud and chickeny bits on the eggs. So they're not clean. What they've done is they've taken normal eggs, thrown a bit of mud on, stamped free range on the box.
To make it look like they've come from a farmyard where it's all kind of rustic and cute and...
Rustic like the bread.
Rustic like the irresistible bread.
Irresistible, okay.
Fantastic. Let's keep on going.
So, I've got a bunch of bananas.
Thank you very much. I like bananas. They're good.
Good. And, with fruit, bananas, apples are very popular in the UK, of course. Mm-hmm. Same the world over, right?
Yeah, I think that the UK is very famous for apples. Historically, the UK has grown lots of varieties and actually done lots of scientific research on the modern varieties of apples we have today.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I watched a programme about it, so it must be true.
So the science of apples. I mean, what has an apple got to do with technology?
I think it's the way they select it. I've got it now.
Okay, right. Okay, good. Moving on.
I was going to say the pennies dropped, the apples dropped. Isaac Newton. Let's move on, Adrian. Move swiftly on.
Okay, into some safe territory because next up...
This is a beautiful chicken.
It was a beautiful chicken. Now it's an ex-chicken.
Okay. I'm sure this will be very, very nice. We will get this back into the fridge very soon, okay, for you food safety hygienists out there. This will go back into the fridge very shortly.
Okay. And I think this chicken will get roasted in the oven along with potatoes. So we'll have roast potatoes. Please help me, Martin.
1 potato.
2 potato.
3 potato.
4.
You can make a song out of that.
There's a song in there somewhere.
I think so. Number 1, maybe? Let's see. Anyway, potatoes.
And with the roast potatoes, it's easy to make roast carrots. So here are carrots. This will last 1 meal. So 3 carrots, 1 meal, I think.
I'm particularly fond of carrots when they're cooked very long, so they're very soft and very sweet.
I agree.
Do you like them crunchy or soft and
Soft.
sweet?
I put carrots on first so that by the time they're cooked, I don't have to chew them anymore. I can just swallow them, or even better, inhale them.
Don't do that at home, kids. Stay safe. Chew them properly.
Okay.
Chew them carefully. Okay. Carrots.
Orange carrots, green broccoli.
Fantastic. This is a beautiful head of broccoli. It looks almost like a bouquet of flowers, Adrian.
I'm glad you like it. That was the prettiest broccoli stalk in the shop.
It looks absolutely fantastic. It's vibrant. Broccoli's fun. It's got a kind of funny little texture, hasn't it? It's like...
That's it.
Yeah, I like broccoli. Good for you.
Very healthy. Really, really healthy. Also healthy. More humble. The humble onion.
Okay, and I like onions as well because they're also sweet when you cook them up. And they lift food, don't they? Give it a nice kind of just something extra.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful on the pronunciation, guys and girls at home. Onion, even though it's spelt in a strange way, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Okay, good.
Thanks, Martin.
Yeah.
Good tip. So, from English to Italian, we've got pasta.
Okay, pasta, always very useful. In England, we do eat a kind of internationalised diet, don't we, of different things from around the world.
Yeah, I think modern European food is very popular in the UK, and everyone has pasta at home, I'm sure.
I think so, yeah. It's an easy go-to dish.
Right. And if you don't eat pasta, I bet you'll be eating rice in this country.
Yeah, I think so. I think rice is very popular. This is basmati rice, so it's a white rice. I like basmati rice too. I find it delicious.
This is my favourite. I can cook it in 10 to 15 minutes. I go for 15 minutes. It's my preference.
Yeah, on the back here, they've actually marked average adult portions. I think that's wishful thinking. I think this is going to be eaten far
Tiny
quicker.
little portions.
Yeah, micro portions. Yeah, but we eat quite a lot, actually.
Yeah.
So, but rice, also a classic staple, belongs in every cupboard.
Yeah, absolutely, and very popular in the UK.
Yeah, that's right, for all sorts of dishes. Okay.
Here's a can of fish. I love canned fish. It's so convenient. It stores well, so I can put this in the cupboard for weeks, months, years, and it won't swim away.
Yes, this is some salmon, I think, some pink salmon in a tin. And it's good to have in the store cupboard. Again, for that day when you just are feeling a little bit of hunger, you're feeling a bit hungry, and you want something quick and easy, open it up, cook with some pasta, cook with some rice, add some vegetables, healthy, nutritious, great.
Okay, so from fish to water, bottle of water, very useful. So this is a small bottle of water. This is just half a litre, and it's good to have maybe for a journey, maybe if you're out walking, or maybe if you're in the car, pop it in the side door, in a side door compartment, just on the side, just in case you need this travelling. Martin, do you drink bottled water?
Well, sometimes I drink bottled water, but usually only if I'm, for example, a tourist and I'm somewhere, maybe it's in summer, it's hot, and I haven't brought any drink with me, then I'll pop into a newsagent's or a little corner shop and I'll ask, please can I have a bottle of water, and that will keep me going, especially in the summer. Very useful. And sometimes I take a bottle of water travelling. I put it in the back of the car so that if I need to take a little break, I can always top up and stay hydrated.
And this is special water because it's Scottish water, and we like Scottish food and drink.
That's right. No haggis today though, Adrian.
No, not today, no. Maybe next time.
Maybe.
And here we go, our last item from the shopping bag. This is a really fancy chocolate that I'm very familiar with. I've had this one a few times. Delicious raspberry dark chocolate. So I can recommend this, Martin. Would you like it? You can have it. My gift to you.
That's very kind. Well, it looks exciting, kind of nice, bright red packaging.
Raspberry not your thing? Fruit in chocolate?
I like I like dark chocolate. I prefer kind of the very high cocoa solids chocolate.
All right. This is 52%, so that's
Okay.
quite... So half chocolate,
Half question mark.
half question mark, thank you.
But I trust you. If you say it's good, it must be good.
It is good, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So a whole range of things. How long will it take you to eat all that good stuff up?
A little while. I won't eat everything at once. I'll have the chicken in a roast, and I'll share that roast with other people. So the chicken and the vegetables will be eaten quickly. The pasta, this will probably last 1 week. The rice, maybe 1 month. And the bread wants to be eaten tomorrow.
And remember, the bread is irresistible, so you might have to have a cold shower before you have the bread, maybe after as well, just because it's so irresistible.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah, thank you for showing me, Adrian. That was funny. It's good.
I enjoyed it.